What's going on YouTube, man? Today we have a banger for you guys, man. I hope you enjoy this video. But real quick before we get into it, I want to give a huge shout out to the homie JayTheSneakerGuy, man. He supplied a couple of kicks for your boy, and I must say, the two sneakers that sent over is some heat, bro. Both of them I feel like gonna be a problem. Both of them I think a lot of people are already interested in. So it's gonna be super dope to get you guys thoughts and opinions over this early heat, man. So without further ado, if you guys are new to the channel, right now what I need you to do, man, hit that subscribe button for your boy. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of this content. I told you in yesterday's video that we got some early sneakers to show y'all. I need all y'all thoughts and opinions down below in the comment section, man. And follow up with a huge like. You guys already know that helps the channel grow. We try to hit that 70,000 subscribers. And again, shout out to the homie JayTheSneakerGuy for supplying these early kicks. I'm gonna leave his YouTube down below. He like this close. He like this close to 100K. So y'all go help out the homie JayTheSneakerGuy. Let him get that 100K real quick on YouTube. There we go, man. Check it out. Check it out. You guys see the box. And when I seen the box, I said, yo, Jordan, Nike, they in their bag, you know what I'm saying? They giving us something different. They're not giving us that traditional, you know, Air Jordan 1 box, that regular Air Jordan 3 box. They switching it up here and there, and I really do like that. So today, you already seen the thumbnail, you already seen the title, you know what we here for. You already know what we here for, man. Let's read the official size tag real quick. Air Jordan 4 Retro, white and midnight navy, and these joints is in the size 9. You guys see them. Like I said, I know a lot of y'all have already been talking about this sneaker in particular down below in the comments in some recent videos. And we finally have them today, man. We finally have them. So let's go ahead and pull them out. First time seeing them in hand. Let's see, man. Let's get that first initial reaction. You guys see the tissue paper right here. Ooh. Oh my God. I don't know what's been going on with Nike lately, but that leather quality, these colorways have been hidden, bro. Check them out. We have the Air Jordan 4 Midnight Navies. I know a lot of y'all already like, yo, those sneakers look super, super familiar. And I happen to have the other shoe a lot of people already compared them to. Boom, check them out, man. We have the Air Jordan 4 white cements. I remember this sneaker coming out like it was yesterday. I remember sitting in line for these. I remember throwing them on the same exact day. I think it was on Valentine's Day back in 2016, if I'm not mistaken. 2016 or 2017, I don't remember. But these right here, I've been holding on to the collection for a minute. And it's crazy that we get the Midnight Navy 4s, and these joints look super, super familiar, man. So let's go ahead and pull both the sneakers out of the box real quick. You guys see them, man. Oh my, these tough. And I ain't gonna lie, bruh. When I shoot you guys the B-roll these two, matter of fact, I got y'all. Y'all just stay tuned for another video, because we got to deep dive into this one right here. Dive deep into these two sneakers, because I don't know why I don't know. The quality is just crazy on the Midnight Navies, but we're going to say that for another video, man. So here you guys have them, man. Midnight Navy Air Jordan 4. I want everybody down below in the comments to give me your initial reaction to it. Give you guys some B-roll. The colorway is crazy, bro. Like, I ain't gonna say they're better than white cements. I ain't gonna do that because then I'll really be gassing it. But the colorway is actually nice. Like, it's not one of those filler sneakers. Just imagine if we didn't get the white cements, you know, then these right here will be probably top 5, you know what I'm saying? But the quality on these is crazy. You got that midnight navy, and you have that red Jumpman right there. I thought these was dope, right on the back. You know, when you get that Nike Air, which would have been dope. We got the regular Jumpman. I think it's in that midnight navy as well. But here we have them. I do not know when these actually released. I just know, like, out of nowhere, people started talking about the midnight navy Air Jordan 4s. It said, yo, the vintage, get them early. We want to see them. And I was like, man, I don't know how I'm feeling about them. But now that I have them in hand, I ain't gonna cap with y'all. These are some pressure, bro. These joints is tough. I don't know if it's the quality. I don't know if it's because they look like the white cements. I don't know what it is. I'm just like easily gravitate towards this colorway. I know it's gonna be super easy to rock, just because it is an all over white colorway. And like I said, you do got those white cement hits all throughout these Air Jordan 4s right here. So let me give you guys a quick little 360 of it, man. You see you have your midnight navy on the midsole, the same little speckle hits on the midsole as well, leading all the way around to the back tab. No Nike Air, which would have been pretty dope, but you know they gotta keep it as general release fashion as possible. And then of course you guys see the tongue, Jumpman with the flight underneath. And on the back of pretty much all Air Jordan 4s, it says Air Jordan right there. Right there, check it out. These don't come with any extra laces or anything like that. I just think that this one right here is definitely gonna turn a lot of heads. You know, we always talk about the resale value, the resale market, what people is hyped about. And recently, the Air Jordan 4s have been the talk of the whole community. Everybody wants Air Jordan 4s. I think that what really capped it off, or really started it off, in my opinion, is the Air Jordan 4 Lightnings. That was crazy, they finally bought them back. You guys see them, we have them over there. One of my favorite pickups of last year is the Air Jordan 4 Lightnings, but things go crazy, man. So I'm gonna check on StockX real quick just so I can check out how the resale market is going with these Midnight Navies. It's always interesting to see, like, you know, what the value is looking like before the release. And like I said, I don't even know when these drop, so let me get a little bit more information for you guys so I can put you on. So right now, put a little screenshot, size 8, $360 for these Midnight Navies. So like I said, you see resale value like that, and the release is coming up pretty soon, you know this is gonna be a problem. So you might wanna, you know what I'm saying, hit up your local, you know, DTLRs, put in the manual tickets, and definitely hit up Flex App, because there's gonna be a lot of people out there trying to look for these joints. And I don't think it's gonna be as easy as, you know, some of these other Air Jordan 4s we have been getting as far as, you know, releases recently. So release date on StockX, it says they drop on October the 1st. So we, couple weeks away from that. I don't know if that's a solid, you know, date. They might push it back. Who knows? Nike been doing a lot of pushbacks recently. I think the last thing that was, you know, pretty much talked about a lot and they pushed it back was the Air Jordan 1 Chicago reimagined. I can't wait for them. Them definitely coming to the collection, man. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for the unboxing, the first look for these Air Jordan 4 Midnight Navies. You guys, please let me know down below in the comment section what you think about them. The leather quality is immaculate on these guys. I hope you can pick that up on a B-roll. And I think that the craftsmanship as well is just super crazy, super buttery. And these definitely some keepers in the collection. So like I said, please let me know how you feel about these joints down below in the comment section. I cannot wait to see some of you guys comments and, you know, let me know what you think about this upcoming Air Jordan 4 Midnight Navy release, man. I appreciate all of the support. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Like I said, 70K is the goal by the end of the year. I know we can do it. Again, shout out to the homie JayTheSneakerGuy for sending these crazy heaters over, man. The Air Jordan 4 Midnight Navies, these joints just tough. I will link his YouTube down below and his IG. Make sure you guys go tap in with the homie. Let's get him to that 100K, man. Let's get him to that 100K. It's gonna be super crazy. All my social media links will be linked down below in the description box. And yeah, with all that being said, thank you so much for tapping in, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video, man. Peace.